Milestone Mafia.
You don't ever want to be the last man to a party, you feel me?
A new Jordan 3 is set to release at the beginning of next month, and we got them in the reservoir early. I can't wait to show you what Jordan Brand just crafted.
What is your profession? It's me, bitches.
Great day, Milestone Mafia. Welcome back to Things and Stuff. I'm your host, Ja.
I don't know how to put this, but I'm kind of a big deal.
And as always, super humble for every pair of eyes watching, every pair of ears listening. And today, as you saw in the thumbnail and description, we have an early look at the upcoming Air Jordan 3 Craft Ivory. Now last year, JB introduced the Craft series, something with the Jordan 1, Jordan 5, 2 Jordan 4s. The series is intended to be a deconstructed version of the sneaker, then put back together with different materials to give it the appearance of being handcrafted.
Oh, okay. I see what you did there.
This Jordan 4 was actually the only one that made it to the reservoir last year. For the most part, the series has been very underwhelming. But when they gave us the first looks of this Jordan 3, they just sang to me.
I'm coming home.
I saw an opportunity to secure them early, and I jumped right on it. Shout out to the plug. He gave me a real player price so we could bring them to the Mafia early and get a real in-depth look, just in case these are on your radar. We're gonna take a look at the details, the materials, the colors. We even gonna put them on feet, maybe even put a fit together so we can go ahead and make a decision on whether or not we gonna bring them home or let them sit where they at. So enough of the preamble. Let's go ahead and get into what we came here for.
Are y'all ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
First, we have the box. New Age Jordan 3 design with the elephant print on the quarter. Elephant print is embossed.
Both.
Also with the Jumpman logo over the Nike Air, giving us a preview of one of the most definable features of the sneaker. Official colorway, we have the Air Jordan 3 Retro Craft Ivory Gray Mist Cream. We got this gray bluish elephant print on the wrapping paper. And then we have the shoe. First impression out the box.
Bitch.
Yeah, these ice cold. These ain't sitting on nobody's shelves. The upper has a tumbled leather, and as you can see, it's extra plush.
My leather's so soft.
Then it comes to a smooth leather up right above the midsole. Suede-like material on this tab that's right above the eye stays. Same color on the lace holes. Check out this double Jumpman logo on the tongue. One that's cream printed and right over it is stitched in that gray mist color. Yeah, never seen that before. You have this great mist elephant print surrounding the toe box. Also on the back, as is customary for a Jordan 3, but you also have this extra tab right above it with the same material as that tab that was by the eye stay. It gives it a very unique touch. You have this white midsole going into a cream portion right above the airbag that leads you into this translucent back tab. So for those who prefer a Jumpman Air on their 3s, or if you like the Nike Air, the Craft 3 Ivory got you covered. Obnoxiously dope touch. Sock liner's done in that gray mist, as well as the insole. And the outsoles are translucent to match the back tab. Ooh, keeping these clean is gonna be a bitch, but I guess, you know, that's just the price of fly, you feel me? Drip forecast for these?
Viene una tormenta!
He said there's a storm coming in.
Yeah, you're gonna need umbrellas, raincoats, smocks, you know what I'm saying, rain boots, all of that. Yeah, if these are on your must-cop list, I suggest you put in your footwork. I predict these to be a problem. Once again, shout out to Jay the Sneaker Guy, aka Mr. Swap 'em Out, for throwing the alley-oops so the Mafia can jam.
If that lace ain't popping out, then I'ma swap it out.
Now I'm talking about, yeah, you might as well go ahead and check out his channel as well. And you already know how I feel about a lot of the sneaker YouTubers, so if I'm plugging him, best believe he's A1, board approved, certified, friend of ours, and all of that. So there you have it, the Air Jordan 3 Craft Ivory. My first cop of the year. Well, technically, I did pick these up. Got them for an absolute train robbery. Damn near 50% off.
Shit, I had to get him.
But as for the first new release of 2024, they're officially in the reservoir. These are set to release on February 3rd, 2024. January is normally a light month for sneakers, but February is looking like it's coming for my wallet. Bad news is, stress on the wallet. Good news is, tons of content for the Milestone Mafia to enjoy. So with that said, become a friend of mine by liking the video. Also, leave a comment down in the description. Like, what do you think about the Craft Ivories? I think this is the runaway best one of the Craft series so far. But what y'all think? Let me know if you're going after them or you just gonna let them pass. I mean, what other shoes you looking forward to this year? Whatever they may be, hopefully I'll be able to bring them to the reservoir. So stay tuned and become a friend of ours by subscribing and hitting that bell notification so you know every single time the Milestone Mafia is leaning on that algorithm. Other than that, I want you to stay blessed, highly favored. I'll stay with 10 fingers and 10 toes, and I'll be back with some more before you get a chance to miss me.
I'm pretty tired. I think I'll go home now.
Stop playing like you don't know what time it is. Let's go ahead and take a closer look just in case I ain't doing them justice in hand.
Пишу рэп, девочкам нравится.